Hello there Year 6s, it's Mr. Conway here. Now for today's how-to guys to help with your maths lesson to solve two-step equations, okay? Now then, we have a true or false question here, and I love questions like this because it means we get to do a bit of investigation. Now it says true or false. If z, so z's our letter because we're using algebra, if z equals 7, then 3z plus 4 equals 10. Now, the first step to solving these type, or to investigate these type of questions, is to draw this algebraic formula out. Okay, I'm going to draw it as a bar. So I'm going to draw my bar, and we know it's an algebraic formula because I've got an equal sign in there. I'm going to draw my bar, split it in half. I know my total is 10. Z, how many lots of Z do I have? Whatever Z is, we don't know what it is yet. Z, 3 lots of Z. So we're going to have the letter Z here. 1 Z, 2 Zs, and 3 Zs. And then I add 4. So Z plus Z plus Z, or 3 times Z, plus 4 equals 10. Now in this statement it says if Z equals 7. Well, let's substitute that. So I'm going to draw my bar again. So I'm going to write here Z equals 7. So I'm going to draw my bar. I'm going to split it in half again. My total is still 10. But instead of Z, I'm going to substitute the letter Z for the number 7. So it's the same bar setup, but instead of Z, I'm going to put the number 7 in. 7, 7, 7, 4. Now, some of you might be screaming the word false at your screens right now. Because if we have a look at this, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 4, 7, 14, 21, 21 plus 4, that equals 25, not 10. So it is definitely false, this statement. Well, let's see if we can calculate what Z does equal. Now then, if I have a look at this rationally, 3Z plus 4 equals 10. Now, plus 4, that's quite a small number. And the 10, the overall total, that's quite a small number as well. So I think Z, whatever it is certainly less than 7, as we've proven, but I think it's quite a small number. Well, what if Z equals 1? We're going to do a bit of trial and error. Z equals 1, so I'm going to do the exact same setup. I'm going to draw my bar, split it in half. 10 is my total. I'm going to have 3 equal parts plus the 4, because that always stays the same, but I'm going to substitute Z this time for the number 1. 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. 1, 2, 3 plus the 4. That equals 7. Right, well that's too little. That's not enough. But it's not far off though. It's actually, you might see a pattern here. 7 is 3 less than 10. You might spot a pattern there. I'm going to go with Z equals 2. So I don't think I'm that far off. Z equals 2. Now just be careful that you write the letter Z and your number 2 so they look different. You don't want to be putting Z's and 2's in a similar way. Right, so Z's going to equal 2. I'm going to substitute Z for 2 this time. I'm going to draw my bar, split it in half. 10 is my total as always. Then I have 3 parts plus adding my 4. So remember, 4 has always stayed the same. And instead of Z, I'm going to put the number 2. 2, 2, 2. That's what I substitute it for. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4. 2, 4, 6 plus 4. Hey, equals 10. So in fact, if Z equals, I'm going to cross that off now, if Z equals the number 2, then 3Z plus 4 equals 10 is correct. So there we are, Year 6s, using bar models. It's similar to when we work with fractions and addition and subtraction, lots of maths operations, but bar models will certainly help you with your answers here, or to help you solve your answers. So there you are, Year 6s. Enjoy your investigation. I know there are at least 2 more questions that are true or false. See if you can have a go at them. Okay, Year 6s, enjoy your bar modelling and your algebra, and I'll see you in another time.